y'all see, Callie has a mat. She has a little cot. The cage is for timeout. She has mirrored dry food, and she has mirrored canned food. Plenty of water. She don't get treated bad. Ain't that right, Callie? Ain't that right, girl? Ain't that right, girl? Ain't that right, girl? So, which one you want today, Callie? You want dry food, or you want the canned food, or you want the wet food? Huh? Which one? Which one, mama? Which one, mama? Which one? Which one? Which one? Her was dry food, her was wet food. There you go. There we go. One can. You ready to eat? And 2 cans. There we go. Go eat. Eat. There you have it. Callie is eating all the time. She's out her cage. She be having fun. So y'all can miss me with that. She in the cage and I'm, being a bad dog on her. Cut that out. Callie just fine.